Hey guys, this is the portion of the video where I kind of just go over the M150 here and the traditional little dynamite firecracker. Now the difference between the two mainly, this is the size of this in the hand, and this is the size of this in the hand. Now they seem obviously like completely different, and this one would be way bigger than this, but in fact, I'll actually throw an image on the screen of one of these taken apart right now. They're actually about the same size, except this has a longer wick, and it's just clay surrounding it. And honestly, the only difference really is the aesthetic, I would say, because these are in the shell that look like a bomb, or I guess it's trying to get the M80 aesthetic without actually being one at all. Um, I also noticed half the package of these were duds. They did not explode. They randomly had two wicks, some of them did, which was also very strange. And for about triple the price of a pack of these, which you get 100 of them, never had a dud, they're always really good, and waterproof. These, which had maybe an eighth of the amount in the package that those did, half of them didn't explode. They're not waterproof barely at all. Most of them that I put in water simply went out, and were not as loud as these, although these are advertised as being very, very loud. They're, in fact, not very loud. Half of them were duds. They cost about 3 times the amount as these do, and you get 100 of these, whereas you get, I think, maybe, I don't know, like 20, 30 of them in a box. I mean, I'm not saying these are horrible, but they're probably not as good as these or as reliable as these, and it's really just an aesthetic, honestly. They're completely surrounded by clay, so they fill up the container, and it's really just an aesthetic. It's literally just a skin, is what you're buying. Whereas this, you get 100 of them, reliable, they go underwater good, they make good noise when they explode. And that's about it. I mean, I would say honestly, if I had to choose between the two, I really would just go with these overall because they are superior in most of the categories. And this, honestly, although it looks cool, that's about it. So I would have to say that the Little Dynamite is the winner. The M150 just isn't really worth it in my opinion. And yeah, I would say that pick yourself up some of these if you have the choice between the two, because like I said, you get way more and they're cheaper. So